bad time to start.
Why?
Because I'm chewing.
Oh.
Good morning. Welcome back to Yosemite National Park. We're starting off the day with poppy seed and lemon muffins, some coffee. Unfortunately, we had to wake up. This was the worst part about, well, one of the worst parts about staying in this tent is you can't cook there or like have any propane or anything. So we had to come to the car to make coffee. So we had to like get up out of bed. I'm making it sound a lot worse than it is, but
Yeah,
anyway.
it's not that bad.
Yeah, seems like it's gonna be another beautiful day in the valley. It's really like hazy and foggy right now, as I'm sure you can kind of tell behind me, but the sun is rising just over the hill right over there. So I'm sure once that pops up, this is all gonna be covered in sun and warmth, and it's gonna be another magical day. So our first hike of the day is Upper Yosemite Falls. We did Lower Yosemite Falls yesterday, and obviously there was no water, but we figured we might as well just do it. There'll probably be some cool views from the top. But man, it's quite a hike. It's pretty much just straight uphill all the way. What's the elevation gain on this again?
Like 3,200 feet,
And how many miles?
3.5 one way.
Okay, so 7 miles round trip. It's a tough one. It's also still like super hazy and almost smoky. I don't know if it is smoke or it's like mist or fog or what it is, but hopefully by the time we get up there, it will have cleared up a little bit so we can actually see some views, because that would suck if we get up there and can't really see much. Anyway, I'll keep you updated. We are probably about halfway on the hike right now, and it's just opened up to this beautiful open area that we can see where the falls is supposed to be. So that right there is where the giant waterfall comes out, and it's weird how you can actually see the distinction in the color of the rock, but wouldn't that just be incredible if that was there? So again, needless to say, we have to come back in winter or spring. I feel like spring would be more fun, because then you could probably still swim and get to see all the waterfalls and just have a fun time in general. It is getting hot and sweaty now. We have been in the sun for probably about the past 20 minutes, and it does not make it easier, especially because we're still going up.
Oh, look.
We're a lot closer to the top though, so that's good. We made it finally, and the views are good of what we can see, but the rest is all covered in haze and smoke. I don't even know if it's smoke or what it is really, but it's crazy. Definitely don't want to fall down here. Look at that drop off down there. Phew. Time for a much needed break and snack break. We got clementines, fig bars, water that's almost finished, kind of. We'll have enough for the way down.
Show my sweat.
Oh yeah, look how sweaty Quinn is.
This is from like through my sports bra, and these are from the clips for my backpack and my shoulder straps. This is why I usually only wear black.
Yeah.
This is disgusting.
And that's exactly why I wear black most of the time, is because you don't see sweat and you don't have to worry about getting it dirty. I mean, it does get dirty, but obviously the dirt doesn't show. So like if I was wearing a white shirt, I would feel bad for laying down right now, but in a black shirt, I don't really care.
Look at you being a rebel.
Look at me being cool.
You're so awesome.
I'm so tired.
I'm so in love with you.
You ready to make our way down?
Ugh, that last bit tasted like...
You ran out of water?
Yeah,
Nice.
I know. I should have listened to you and filled up the whole bladder, but I was like, no, it'll be fine.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now to start the very long descent down. We're both like starving now as well, which isn't the best thing. We have snacks, but we just feel like proper food. But we're probably gonna have like another 2 hours down the mountain.
All right, let me start the all trails and we'll find out and tell you accurately.
Cool, that's it. And we have made it down to the bottom. That was exhausting. I am so ready to collapse into the water and eat all of the good foods and not do any more hikes for today. Yeah. See, can't even hold anything now. By the way, these hiking poles, Quinn bought them the other day, came in really handy for the way down because this was very slippery. So if you do plan to do this and you have a set of these, I would definitely suggest bringing it along. Not so helpful going up. Maybe if you are a bit older, weaker, or have some kind of issue, then it might be helpful, but definitely coming down would recommend. Leftover soup from yesterday with some ramen noodles. Well, it's like this fancy Japanese one, but I guess that's still kind of ramen noodles, right?
Huh?
Anyway, looking good. Okay, so quick vlog update. From the last time you saw us, we were chilling at the swim spot that we went to yesterday as well. Then we decided to go back to the camp just to shower and grab some stuff for dinner. We're gonna make guacamole and chips and beer and that kind of stuff. And now we are going to do a walk in the meadows and do a quick little photo shoot as well. One is looking very nice. Yeah, it should be good. There's also wildlife all over the show here. We just drove past the bear, so that was pretty cool. And then a ranger came and shouted at it and shot it with a paintball gun to go away, which
She didn't hit it with a
kind of
paintball
sad.
gun.
I mean, she didn't hit it, but she shot at it.
Yeah, I hated it. It was one of the worst things I've ever seen.
Yeah, it was just kind of sad. We were saying that, like, we're in the bear's environment, and then she's shouting at the bear to get away, which I understand because there's people around and they are dangerous animals. But yeah, it still just sucks
Oh,
that it's their place and we're chasing them away. We're back and we are exhausted. We went for a walk, saw a couple of bears, which were far away, too far away to take videos of, so that's why I didn't take any videos of them. But came back, made some guacamole mix, got some scoop chips from the shop earlier, and now we have I got facelift, so just a cool looking can with half dome on it. I think it's a pale ale, and then Quinn has the half dome something. California wheat. We're probably just gonna share it and then see what happens.
They're from the same brewing company. That's funny. We did that last night too.
But yeah, since we ate such a big lunch with the leftovers from yesterday, we're just taking an easy dinner tonight, and then we're about to watch The Goonies because I've never seen it, and Quinn says it's a classic that needs to be watched.
Do you want me to wait?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Okay, we're gonna settle down, go to bed. Yeah, I think we're gonna end this here. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a good one, a very tiring one, but we'll see you tomorrow for another adventure. In the meantime, get out there, make it happen.